forgot to mention that we're making banana bread today. I didn't make iftar. We're just gonna have leftovers, but I was craving banana bread and I decided to make it. I did have some ripe bananas, so we're gonna get right into it. I have already mashed my bananas, put in some eggs and some butter. So this recipe on TikTok says white sugar, brown sugar, but I'm just gonna do brown sugar honestly, because I've been trying to stay away from lots and lots of sugar. So we're gonna do, I think, yeah, we're gonna do half. We're gonna do half a cup of brown sugar. I'm also recording for TikTok and Instagram. So this is kind of like the behind the scenes that you guys don't see. Oh, okay. So brown sugar. I don't know whether to do carnation milk or my oat milk. What is the difference, babe? What's the difference between, baby? The carnation milk and the pig milk, what's the difference? Just different manufacturers. Oh, just different manufacturers. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we did it. I ripped it open. So we're gonna do half a cup of milk. Or even more. You know what? We're gonna do a little more. Just because. Baking powder, baking soda. We're doing some cinnamon. Oh, just a little bit. This is so chaotic. You guys are playing. Then we're doing salt. We're gonna do the main. Ooh. But let's do the main thing. I love that I'm taking you guys along on this behind the scenes. It's almost iftar, so hopefully this is gonna be ready before iftar. We're going with half. I'm honestly lazy to get a whisk, so we're just using what we have already. Yep, I kind of like the consistency better now, so I think we're gonna go ahead and bake it. My oven is preheated already, so yeah, we're all set. How about we do some coconut flakes? I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but yeah, we're gonna do some coconut flakes in there. Some chocolate chips. We're just gonna go ahead and grease our pan. All right. We're gonna go ahead and bake. I think it looks and like feels a little too soft because it's hot. So yeah, we're just gonna let it cool off. I'm gonna have this one, but then we're gonna let the others like cool off. So yeah, we're done. And good night, guys. Hi guys, welcome to another day. Today's Monday. It's Ramadan day 13. It's going so fast, and yeah, I'm in the kitchen as you can tell, and I really do not like that all I show you guys in my Ramadan like series is me cooking or me in the kitchen. But yeah, other times I'm just in the bedroom with my baby, and I mean that's not something I want to show. Yeah, when we're down here, it's me in the kitchen. Honestly, it's only when I want to prep iftar that I come down here. But yeah, that is the phase that I am in my life right now. Being a mom and being a stay-at-home mom, so there's nothing much to show because I don't go out a lot. I went to the masjid yesterday, but with the way things were, I don't know if I'm gonna go back again. um so yeah, it was so crowded. The setting of the masjid, like the way it used to be, was not it. There were like tables and chairs and everything set up in the masjid where we usually pray, and there was no space, guys. Like there was no space for us to pray. So yeah, we all decided, okay, maybe just go home and pray like our tahajjud at home, because it doesn't seem like we're gonna like enjoy our prayer. So yeah, I am making pepper soup, maybe with like sweet potatoes, and I am running late honestly, but it is what it is. If I don't make it before iftar, I can like finish it up after. I'm just blending my pepper mix right now. Ever since I discovered that this like blends my pepper mix really well, like I have like stepped away from blending. And I usually enjoy like using cardamom in my pepper soup because it takes away the smell of like meat. I don't know about you, but I do not like my meat or chicken or fish smelling like any of those. Like if it's lamb, I try as much as possible to putting the spice that will like take away the smell, because if it smells like raw lamb, I cannot eat it. So I feel like cardamom helps with that. It just helps take away the smell, and I'm a big fan of ginger and garlic as well in my soup or when I'm marinating my proteins. My husband doesn't like it when I throw this in. I tend to grind it in mortar and pestle and then throw it in my soup, but he doesn't like it when I like chews on it, so we're gonna put it in here to kind of like help us blend it. So yeah. I'm gonna go wash my protein and just quickly put it on fire. My sweet potato can't wait till later. I also want to make my I don't know, right now I feel like putting away the beans honestly, because I don't want to do too much. I don't want to stress too much. And my baby gave me a hard time today. I almost cried. I did cry because I am that emotional. But yeah, she's sleeping right now, so we're gonna just quickly get to work before she wakes up. So quick one, I just wanted to show you guys what I would usually do like with my potatoes. These are sweet potatoes that I just sliced, and yeah, I have been very conscious about oil. I know with iftar it's almost always about like frying things. I don't want to like generalize, but there is akara, there's kosei, there is like potatoes if you want to like fry it, there is yam and egg. So yeah, I do want this to be fried, but I don't want to like just drop them in the oil. So I'm just gonna quickly put it in the microwave because ever since I had a baby, I've been very conscious about my weight, honestly. Yeah, it just looks to me like I'm adding so much weight, or I don't look like how I used to be. I mean, I just had a baby, so just I should take it easy on myself. But yeah, I will just sprinkle some oil in here with some salt and black pepper, and I'll just throw it in the air fryer. My air fryer has been my go-to for everything, honestly. It is so easy to use and maximum results. So we're gonna do exactly that. Okay, I'm out of my olive oil, so we're gonna just use this oil we have here. Another thing, this takes a while to fry or roast, so I recommend that you put it in quite early. I would just do maybe like 30 minutes or 25. So this is, let me turn the camera. I have a baby in here. Okay, so this is what my potatoes looks like right now. A little crispy and fried. I will just put it back and reheat it when I'm ready. But yeah, I also managed to blend my beans. So this is what we have. It's almost iftar. 20 more minutes before iftar. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's like 22 minutes before iftar. Oh, so yeah, that's pretty much all for me today. I just have some cleaning up to do later, but right now I'm just gonna sit and wait for iftar, honestly, and I'm gonna let my husband do the frying for the kosei, for the akara, because he makes the best. He makes the best akara. Like anytime I make mine, it's either it gets soaked in oil or like it gets burned and the inside is not done. But yeah, I'll just leave it for when he's back because there's still time, and yeah, or we can have it even after iftar. So I'm just gonna go sit with the baby and wait till it's iftar time. My battery is low as well, so I might as well just go charge my camera. Alright guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow maybe. Honestly, I should start editing. I should start editing the second episode of my Ramadan diaries. This is Monday already and I have not started. It's gonna be a long week, guys. So yeah, bye. Hi guys, so I just finished cooking. I made the benihana fried rice, the popular benihana fried rice. It is super easy to make, and I also air fried some chicken on the side. So if you ever want to make something super easy and delicious, I'd say just look up for the benihana recipe, benihana fried rice recipe, and give it a shot. So yeah, it's almost iftar. I just decided to sit here and open up some packages before it's iftar really quick with you guys. Um, and honestly, chiffon hijabs are not my favorite at the moment. I would like not reach for them at all. but I do have them a lot as well, but I just don't reach out for them. Usually you'd see me wearing jersey or Modal hijabs because they're so easy, and I love a scarf that would just follow the shape of my face and just sit in place, and not this that I have to like fix all the time. It is so annoying. But yeah, I haven't worn them in so long, and I just decided to like throw it on today. Apologies, my dishwasher is on. So I got a few packages. This one is from Sephora. It's the $100 reward card that I used to purchase this. So I didn't know about this until recently. Apparently, if you become a Rouge member on the Sephora app and you have like 2,500 points, you can be able to like get a $100 gift card to purchase anything you like on the Sephora app. And this only comes up on Tuesdays and Thursdays on the Sephora app, on like the bazaar section where they upload new products for points. So I've been waiting for a Tuesday or a Thursday to get myself one, but the thing is it sells out so fast, so you have to be ready. Immediately it's 9 a.m. you have to be ready, otherwise it just gets sold out really fast. But yeah, I was able to get myself some things with the $100 reward card. Honestly, I just decided to like stock up on a few things. Some are a restock, and others I just wanted to try. So you guys know this famous Sol de Janeiro body mist. The 40 is my favorite. I really love it. I honestly did not know it's gonna come in this size. Maybe I didn't look at the measurement right. I thought it was gonna be the big size. But yeah, I would usually just go for the 40. There's 62. I don't know if it's the 62 or the 69, but the yellow one, I'll put a picture up here. It used to be my favorite, but then I switched to this, and I love it. I would usually just use this immediately I step out of the shower, and it's good. It is so good. I also got this Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm, and I got this. Heads up, there's smoke. I also got the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. I think the first time I got this was like 2 years ago, but I just ran out, so I decided to get another one because I love it. I honestly got it because it goes really well with my lip combos. So yeah, this is an absolute fave. I'm gonna have to leave you guys right now, but I will be back and we'll finish up the rest.
Hello?
So this is what my fried rice looks like, and here's my chicken, and here's the sauce. Super easy. Wallahi, I didn't know what was inside. I was getting to it. I got a PR. I got a PR. Kai. This is so funny. I got a PR from a noodle brand called Fly by Jeng. And it's a soy noodle. It's like very easy to make. You're gonna make it like in a few minutes. So yeah, I will probably try it tomorrow, inshallah, or next tomorrow. I don't know. I was supposed to do this unboxing very nicely, but it got ruined. It got ruined, guys. So yeah, I am back, and I'm gonna continue like showing you guys what I got from Sephora. Yeah, so let's fix you. I had to get my mic so you can hear me when I tell you about this cool products that I got. Tell me why I got 2 lip products on this order. 2, guys. I love lip products so much. I love lip balms, lip gloss, anything that goes on my lips. I love it. So I got the EADEM Lip Softening Balm. I was very skeptical on which shade to get. Honestly, I had to watch a lot of reviews. I was skeptical between the Sakura Eyes, I think it's Sakura Eyes, that's what it's called, and the Fix Sauce. But I ended up getting the Fix Sauce. And since I don't have anything on right now, we're gonna try it together. I saw that it has a really cool applicator. It's softening, so I had to get it. I love the packaging. I don't know if you can see it right, but yeah, I really love the silver packaging. And the applicator, guys, it is so nice. I love a really pink tone. This is not much of a pink tone, but yeah, it's more of like a brownish shade. Bismillah. It feels so nice when you're applying it, honestly. And yeah, it looks so nice. I love how it feels right now. I really love how it feels, and I love that it has a little bit of color. It's not like very nude. And yeah, I love it. The last thing I got is the one that I am most excited about. If you know me, you know I love a good blush. And we got the Rhode blush. This is my first ever Rhode product, and it had to be the blush, guys. Yeah. I got it in the shade Sleepy Girl. Honestly, I'm honestly such a sucker for like cute packaging. This is really cute, really portable. So we're gonna try it. I'm so excited. Can you tell? This is what the shade looks like. You can already tell from the way it just lifted my cheeks. Let's try it on this side as well, so that we can have like a even look. I can honestly just step out like this with just the blush and the lip balm, and it's already giving. Yeah. Overall, I am excited for this purchase. No, this is so cute. My favorite blush has to be the one from Collet, but I think we got another one that's gonna compete with that. Let me know what you think. Have you ever used the Rhode blush or the EADEM Le Balm? Let me know what you think. But yeah. Oh, I'm mostly more excited about this too. Can't wait to add them to my beauty collection. And this one that we already unboxed by Foss. So yeah, it was the big box that was sitting here. We got the noodles in, I think, a couple of flavors. So this is the chili crisp. I'm guessing it's the spicy one. We have the sweet and spicy chili, and this is the classic. That is all, and we're gonna try it together tomorrow, inshallah. But yeah. Hi, Bella. Hello. Hello. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Let me know which of the products is your favorite one, or if you've tried it or anything. And I think I should wrap up this vlog already. It's getting really long. I've started editing, and I think I'll just wrap it up tomorrow after like trying the noodles, hopefully. Let's see how it goes, or maybe next tomorrow, whichever one, honestly. Great. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. Today's Thursday, and we have a meeting right now, so I'm just gonna hop on real quick. We are done. Maybe I'm done.
Okay.
I feel like I haven't spoken to you guys in a little bit. Yeah, I wanted to talk about something the other day. I saw this, I think it was a tweet that was shared on Instagram that says, if you're a guest for iftar or just anything of like being hosted by someone else, would you be obligated to help them in the kitchen to like clean up their dishes or tidy up the space, or would you not, and I don't know if I've like said it the right way, if I've put it the right way. Like, let me know your opinion in the comment section. Me personally, if I get invited, right, I will love to help. I will love to help. To think that you got up and you cooked, you prepped everything, the least I can do is like help you do the dishes or just help you sweep the floor, right? And when it's the other way around, if I invite you and you decide to help with the dishes, I don't mind. But I won't like beg you to do it. I won't like ask you to do it. If you insist, if you offer to, go for it. So yeah, that is just what I wanted to like share with you guys. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know where you stand with that. I just finished my meeting. I'm just gonna read my Quran. I'm gonna read my Quran and then I will edit a little bit. I am late on my upload for this week. It's Thursday and I haven't uploaded any video, which sucks. But yeah, we're not gonna be hard on ourselves. We're just gonna take it as it is, we're gonna take it slow. But yeah. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Hey guys, good morning. I'm dressed up for a doctor's appointment. Today's Friday. Noor is seeing her pediatrician today, and yeah, I haven't gone out in a while, honestly, so I kind of am looking forward to just getting some fresh air, even though it's gloomy outside. I think it's about to rain or something. But yeah, that is what the plan is for today. I'm also gonna stop at the post office to drop off a package for my aunt. Then we're gonna come home, prep iftar. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I am wearing my EADEM lip balm today. I did a little lip combo thing. I used the Huda Beauty contour and my lip balm. So yeah, I will see you guys later. I'm gonna dress her up and maybe feed her before we leave, so she won't be grumpy. So yeah. So I am just leaving the post office right now, and I was a bit delayed because my card was locked and I had to call the bank and everything, so we got a little delay going on. Yeah, I have been craving donuts. I love Dunkin' Donuts, but I'm also cautious about, you know, sugar. But yeah, we're just gonna have a little treat today. I'm gonna grab some donuts and then I'll head home. It is 3:30 right now. I have to go home and prep iftar. Yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys and just quickly drive right now. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a heads up, an update on what's going on. And yeah. We got our goods secured. Oh, I'm so excited for this. All right. Hi guys. I got back like an hour ago. I it's currently like a rush situation over here. I prayed Asr, I cleaned up, came downstairs, and I got to work. I'm making rice and some chicken. That's pretty much what we're gonna have for iftar today. I'm making rice. I said that already. I'm making mandi rice actually. I feel like it's easier for me instead of a regular like jollof rice. And yep, I'm honestly slacking on creating content and editing at the moment. I thought it was gonna be easy, honestly, but yeah, I did try though. I did try. I did try honestly, I would say. Today's day 17 already. My sister-in-law is hosting us tomorrow, inshallah. Um, and I am on suya duty. So we're making some suya tomorrow. Yeah, I'll have to go grocery shopping because the fridge is empty. So I'll do that very early in the morning so I can come and marinate my suya. And I also want to make some salad, maybe Greek salad, because we had some in the masjid the other day and everyone loved it. It's the weekend. Today's Saturday, and I'm all dressed. I want to go grocery shopping. This is the fit. I'm doing all black, and then I'm just wearing a hat to keep my veil in place. But yeah, that's the look, and we are out. So I am at Walmart right now. I'm gonna get most of the things at Walmart, and then maybe I'll stop by at Aldi as well. But yeah, I am doing a full-blown grocery shopping for the week. So yeah, I haven't gone grocery shopping in so long since I was pregnant. My excuse me. Since I was pregnant, my husband has been the one going grocery shopping, and even after I had my baby, he would always like offer to go do it, and I was down with it because I was not feeling like stepping out at all. They just the idea of just dressing up and going out with a baby or dressing up when I was pregnant was a lot. So I was not even having it. But right now he's home with the baby, and I just wanted to, have some time out. The weather is gloomy. It rained heavily last night, so it's all wet. It's all gloomy, and yeah, we're gonna go see what this store has. I don't know if I mentioned, but today is the day my sister-in-law is hosting us, and I am on suya duty. So we're gonna make sure that the suya hits. It's 9:30. Let's see how long it's gonna take me, because I want to get back home and like prep and do some stuff as well. So yeah, let's go. I can't believe I'm in this era of just checking out baby stuff. So we're trying to get Nur like a play mat, for like tummy time and all that. So I am looking for like options that we can choose. But yeah, I am so excited for her. Honestly, she is doing so well with like growth and development. So yeah, we're so happy about that. I've seen quite a lot of options, but I don't want to grab any at the moment. I'll just go check on some reviews and then I'll come grab one of these. Also, I'm trying to find like a hair oil, like coconut oil, or just something for her hair. And I honestly do not know anything about that. So if you guys know any products that is best for, you know, baby's hair, please recommend down in the comment section. But I am currently just looking. I don't see anything that says hair on it. I do not. You guys, that was so long. I'm gonna go grab some halal meat from Aldi. Aldi usually brings halal meat, so I'm gonna grab that and we should be all done. So yeah, let's head to Aldi. So I'm back home. I will just put things in place, praise her, and get to work. This is situation on ground. I got Nur this really cute dress. I feel like she doesn't have a lot of dresses, especially now that it's winter. She mostly wears like two-piece pants and like tops, but look at this. Isn't this so pretty? I love the stripes. It's like lilac in color, and yeah, it is so pretty. It's from Carter's, and yeah, Walmart has cute options as well. And I also got her this for her hair because I want us to kind of like start, styling her hair a little bit. Not all the way, but just, something cute. So guys, I am about to start making my suya. I will just prep it and let it marinate for a little bit. And then I'll throw it in the oven. But I'm just gonna put you guys in split mode because I am in a hurry. So let's get to work. have sauced my skewers already while I prep my protein, just so it doesn't burn in the oven. So I am finally done with putting all the meat in the skewers, and I turn on the oven to preheat. Hi guys, so we just got back. My makeup still looks good. I am wearing Faiza Nigeria. It has some embellishment down here. Bismillah. And then some up here. It's really beautiful. And decided to pair it with this yellow Modal hijab for some color. Also, wanted to show you guys this beautiful gift that we got from Nabila. It's a handmade hat for my baby, and what makes it even more special is that she handmade it, which is beautiful, and I love that. Thank you so much, Nabila. Nora's gonna wear this all day every day. But yeah, we got a lot of food. A lot of food. We got kunu in here. Yeah, a lot. I am so tired. Yeah, we got some stew, some egusi, some. You guys, I even got some masa mix. Gotta put it in the freezer for another time. Pepper soup, some pastry, and yeah, we have rice on tour in here. And honestly, I'm just gonna put it in the fridge like this, and I'm not gonna cook tomorrow. I'm not gonna do anything, just rest. Yeah, I need the rest. You guys, I will just go take a shower and sleep. I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys, I just wanted to show you how much snow we got this weekend. So from here, the door is closed to the backyard, but from here all up, I don't know if you can see, looks like a whole looks like mattress, like the amount of snow that it did this weekend. Can you see? My leg is all the way down there. It is so cold right now. I made a big pot of oxtail to just enjoy the moment, enjoy the cozy weather. And I made some moi. Bismillah. Oof, it is so hot. No, that looks so good. Hi guys, before I end this vlog, I just wanted to come on here and give you an update. Okay, I guess you guys can hear me right now. I just came on here to kind of like update my calendar, honestly. So we're gonna do that. Today is 18th. No, it's the 16th. It's the 16th of March. And I haven't been in here in a while because it's Ramadan, and honestly just not in the mood to be in here at all. But yeah, I haven't picked up the camera. Let me just sit real quick. So I haven't picked up the camera in a few days. Today is Monday, the 26th of March. Yeah. And I just wanted to just come on here and quickly update you guys on what's happening, you know, how things have been going. So we're in the last 3 to 4 days of Ramadan, which is crazy to think about because honestly, it feels like Ramadan started yesterday. Like the world is moving so fast. It's moving so fast. Yeah, I just pray that Allah accepts our ibadah, our du'as, and every good thing that we've done in this beautiful month. And if you're watching this after Ramadan, may Allah spare our lives to see the next Ramadan, inshallah. And you guys, we had a massive snowstorm. In case you're hearing this awkward noise in the background, it's the laundry. But yeah, I was saying we had a really massive thunderstorm, and it was a lot of snow, guys. It was a lot. When I came down on Sunday morning, I looked out the window and I was like, "Ya subhanallah." it was so much, and I cannot even like open the backyard door right now because then we're gonna have like so much snow in the house. So yeah, we're not doing that. But at this point, it's giving you guys are gonna celebrate Eid indoors. Mm-mm. Hopefully not, guys. Today's Monday and people are working from home. School are closed, so we're literally just home, you know, enjoying some beautiful family time. I would like to think it that way, honestly. And apparently, Wisconsin hasn't seen this much snow in years, so it is a lot. And yeah, I think we have come. Oh, also, I was talking to family this morning back from Nigeria, and I got the news that has been weighing heavy on my heart that my hometown, Borno State, has been under attack. If you guys don't know, I am from Maiduguri, Borno State. Um, and yeah, maybe we should do like a proper intro to all the new beautiful people on here. Yeah, sorry for another day. But yeah, it is so heartbreaking to hear. I mean, after all the terrible things that Maiduguri has seen, we are back at it again. Just praying that, you know, Allah brings an end to this crisis in like Nigeria and all over the world. May He bring peace and protect, you know, all the people there, and yeah, even around the world. Honestly, it is just so. It is a lot. It is a lot right now to just take in. I think this is going to be the end of this vlog. Um, because I want to start a new one, and you guys, if I tell you that I have 2 memory cards and a hard drive worth of content, I mean, just thinking about it is just doesn't sound good. Um, but yeah, that's how much content I have. Um, and I think it's from 2025 and even 2024. So yeah, if that is something you guys want to see on here, please let me know in the comments, and I will jump to editing right away and share with you guys. But yeah, I'll still be putting out current vlogs about where I am in my life right now. Honestly, I even want to start like a little series. I don't know, I have so many ideas in my head. you know, just like a series about like motherhood, where I am in my life right now, life in my 30s, all that good stuff. But yeah, I just want to sit and just put everything together and start putting out content. So yeah, that is what I want to do. Right after Eid, I want to jump on that. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you have made it this far, I truly, truly appreciate you for always tuning in and always supporting me. And I will see you on the next one. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. Bye.